You were hiding right in front of me. You have Trevante.
Man, you need to go first.
You have Trevante Fontenot. Are you ready on that?
No, sir, I have not met him. This is the first time.
Would you like me to introduce him to you?
Yes, sir.
That's Langston Adams right there. He's getting dressed here in the room.
Sir, so I'll represent Langston because I know.
Did you get just get fitted on that?
Man, I just bought.
What do we have? A tailor in this room?
You look so nice, and I feel underdressed.
So, David, you're not ready on this?
I'm sorry. No, sir, but I feel confident I'll leave it in a while.
You want to reset it right now?
Well, if he's online, I believe.
Oh, is he?
Everyone this morning is online.
Oh, it's a bond.
You'll want to make sure he's here, Judge. But I just gave to Mr. Grove Discovery only a day or so ago. So
I haven't reviewed it yet, but
All right, here's what we're going to start with. Trevante Fontenot, 24 CR 281, please. Thank you. Are you Mr. Fontenot?
Do I need to be?
Would you like to be?
I don't know what's he charged with.
You don't want to know.
No, probably not.
the reports say he's a suspect in a homicide, so it wouldn't surprise me at all if his
Sit in.
Probation?
but we have no cases on any of that.
Are you Trevante Fontenot? Come on up. Okay. Settle down. Thank you.
Yeah.
In this case, you are charged with the third-degree felony of illegally possessing a machine gun.
Oh.
So who is it who brought you up here today? Who drove you? Your wife? Okay, where is she?
Oh, she's on stuff. I'm sorry.
You leave her outside?
What a dick.
Fine.
Welcome back to Time Served, the channel that scans the docket so you don't have to. And we all know Judge Stevens has to deal with some sick individuals. Some are not so bright, others had a harsh life. And from the looks of it, if you are truly remorseful, Judge will punish you, but will do everything he can to help you in the end. Unless you are this mongrel. I watch court every day, and I have never seen such an outright, blatantly disrespectful piece of trash. Not only is he in front of the judge for strangling his girlfriend for the 4th time, but he thinks it's funny as he jokes and lies by saying he lives in China, and uses language that is utterly offensive. Hats off for Judge for showing the restraint he did, because this trash was asking to be thrown out. However, we did get a legendary Judge Stevens timeout. He made him wait all day, and come on, we all know he didn't learn a lick, and will be back very soon. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, set your notifications to all, and never miss Judge Stevens taking out the trash. Let's roll, nerds.
I mean, something wants to see that.
All right.
David Anthony Colbert?
Whether or not they.
That's you? I'm sorry?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know this man? Who's your attorney? Have you ever met him before? John West? You just met him?
Yes.
Okay. Did you get retained? Are you retained?
No, I'm court lawyer in Charlotte. Offender.
Well, let me ask you, so first of all, are you employed anywhere?
No, I'm working,
Do you have any income at all?
I'm working with like labor mix and stuff.
Do you have any income at all? Is my question to you, sir.
I mean, no, not
I mean, it's massage or whatever. Like, it's not.
I can't understand. Yeah, you're gonna have to
Speak a little clearer.
I said it's not every day. Not no everyday job.
because this says you have zero income.
Nah, yeah.
This is
I
what
mean,
you
I don't
signed under oath.
work- I don't work every day. I ain't working none of this.
Do you work part-time or does everybody else pay your way through life? What's the deal?
I just told you.
You have to be independent, right?
Just told you I work every night.
Doing what?
Just told you, labor max and Pete, I really.
You know what? When I ask you questions, I expect an answer for you straightforward. Okay? And don't criticize me. You're the one charged with a third-degree felony here. You need to navigate this responsibly. It's saying that you didn't follow the rules. So just please be courteous, okay? Can you do that? Can you do that?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. You're charged with this third-degree felony of assault of a family member by choking them. This carries with it up to 10 years in prison. Do you understand? 10 years in prison. Okay. Have you ever been charged with an offense before?
Yeah,
You ever been convicted of anything before?
not no assault.
Listen closely. Have you ever been convicted of anything before? What?
Misdemeanor gun case.
Where? In what county?
Yeah.
Have you lived in China your whole life?
Not from my.
It says you live in China.
Yeah, but I'm not from my.
Do we have a problem communicating here? I'm asking you, have you lived there your whole life?
Yeah, you know, I lived out there, but I.
Be nice and courteous, or you get a timeout in the box, okay? How long have you lived in China?
2 years.
Before that,
My second year.
where did you live?
Oh,
Okay, and how long did you live in Beaumont?
all my life.
Okay, you were born here? Where'd you go to school?
Nah, places.
A lot of places. No, did you graduate from high school?
No.
Let me see. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. It says you've been arrested 9 times, including this one. And this isn't the first family violence. 2 marijuanas, unlawfully carrying a weapon, evading detention, resisting arrest, and assault. What's let me see some of the dispositions.
This is the 4th offense with the same lady. Each of the other 3 offenses have been dismissed. The state's going to proceed on this case, whether she's going to cooperate or not, because we have a video as well as 2 independent witnesses.
This was dismissed because.
This is you're saying this is the 4th time
This
he's
is the
charged
4th
with
time.
assaulting that lady?
Yes, sir. So whether or not she cooperates, I'm going to move forward with prosecution.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. He was speaking. You get a chance to speak. That's rude. Everybody knows that. We learned that in 3rd grade, not to interrupt people. Thank you. You just don't follow the rules. Whether it's law or decorum, you got to treat people politely. Harm no one. Live honestly. Give each person respect. Assaulting somebody 4 times doesn't show that you're doing that. Did you just interrupt me again? See, we learned that when we were kids. My goodness, you're gonna have to take your first step at a time here. You're rude. Pull that last one. The one before that. The position.
Jason jail.
So you did 6 months for the resisting arrest? You did 6 months for the resisting arrest in 21?
All 3 of these were disposed of at the same time.
Show me were they all misdemeanor?
Yes, sir, all misdemeanors. He got 100 days in jail for all of them. And then it was like the to marijuana possession and then this unlawful carrying. And this because he was moving with those three. So all of this was taken care of.
2 weapons,
Today.
2 weapons and the resisting arrest. Okay,
The resisting, the evading, and the weapons charge were all convictions. The second weapons charge and the 2 marijuana were dismissed due to the mechanism of those.
all right. This probable cause affidavit states that the victim said you strangled her with both of your hands. She couldn't breathe for several minutes. You have assaulted her several times and she wished to file charges. And so here you are. You said there's a video of him?
There is, yes.
Okay.
That, and there are 2 store clerks where this happened that witnessed the event as well.
All right. Here's what is your bond right now?
My bond was 15.
Sure.
Huh?
I'm sure it's probably 15,000. It's probably 1,500.
Yes, we paid 10%.
Yes, paid 1,500 bond out.
Correct, 15,000.
Okay, what else? Is that it?
Yes.
Is it, are there any other conditions? Okay, here's what you're going to be ordered to do. Have no contact with this lady. You understand? Huh? Okay, and you're going to have you're ordered to have a GPS device on you so I know where you are so you don't contact her. Okay? That's a condition of your mind. You find that funny?
Nah.
Yeah, well, I don't see anything funny here. This is pretty serious by assaulting ladies. This is, you know what? You can sit over at timeout when you learn to quit interrupting. All right, we'll go to somebody else. John, what else do you have?
I have one more, Octavio Hernandez. He's also not happy, he does not speak English.
Triviante, come on.
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
As Judge was sorting through the rest of his docket, he had the man in timeout and screened, and lo and behold, he tested positive. And now the stunning conclusion of the man from China.
Norman,
Mr. Culver, come on in. He failed his drug test too.
And also,
What's his bond, Culver?
it is $15,000, sir.
Yeah, your bond, you have failed your drug test. You've got marijuana in you, which is illegal. While on bond, you cannot commit a crime like having drugs in you.
So this is what I'm saying.
You have the scientific test, so the drugs are in you. Your bond is revoked, and it's 15.
Currently $15,000.
It will be 30,000 plus you have to have a drug patch as a condition of bond. You'll be taken into custody. Please follow the rules. John,
If I got out of the jail on bond,
that's enough.
I mean, I'm still dirty, right? I'm still dirty, right? If I
No.
got out of the jail on bond, right? Yeah, because I was smoking while I was on bond, before I went to jail.
What do you want me to revoke your bond until the case is disposed? What are you asking for?
Sir, all I'm saying is if I'm on bond, right? I know I'm on bond.
Yeah, no, you have to get a drug patch as a condition of bond, and that will
I got
test you.
arrested in jail.
I will test you it will test immediately. And if it shows up dirty, then you'll be arrested again and we'll go through this one more time.
No, I ain't trying to arrest. I ain't trying to arrest again.
Yes.
I ain't been doing
Well, you're taken into custody and until you have a drug patch on and your bond is double. And that's,
Yeah, but that's crazy because
That's crazy.
I just got out of jail.
I'll tell you what's crazy is whatever you do when you commit crimes. That's what's crazy.
Yeah, but if I went
And to use drugs while on,
no,
to
I
use
did
drugs.
not use drugs before that. If I'm smoking weed don't stay in your system for 6 months to a year, right? That mean I just bonded out on this case. That ain't even
You
been
got
a whole
drugs
year.
in you.
Yeah, it haven't been a whole year.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
The debate is over with. You're in custody, period. In the ball game. The scientific tests showed that you had drugs in
It was gonna
you.
show dirty anyway.
You know what? Are you a smart guy?
Yeah, it was gonna show dirty anyway.
Well, it's not very smart. Not very smart to be using drugs while on.
How you using
bond.
drugs when I was using drugs before I bonded out?
You know, you're going to jail. It's unwise to do things to put yourself in jail.
Yeah, but before I went to jail, I was already there.
And talking isn't going to change my mind.
I know.
Thank you. Bye.
Judge,
Follow the rules.
do you still want to have the GPS device that you ordered?
Yeah.
I want you to get your ass out of my face.
Yeah. We want to know where he is all the time.
Right, I just need to confirm.
See, kids, a lesson there. Follow the rules. Yeah. Okay, Jagno. Mr. Jagno.
Mike.
2239-370. And take your vitamins. Those are two important things. Take your vitamins and follow the rules. And don't use drugs. That's just bad news all the way around.
Just say no.